If you're suffering from symptoms like bloating, gas, and abdominal pain, you might have heard of a leaky gut. It's a condition where the lining of your gut becomes more permeable, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter your bloodstream and trigger inflammation. But the good news is, you can take steps to heal your gut and reduce your symptoms. And one of the most important steps is to change your diet. To combat leaky gut, you should eat foods that are nutrient-dense, fiber-rich, and easy to digest. That means focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, and avoiding processed and refined junk foods. Here are some specific foods you can add to your diet to help heal your gut. Bone broth. It contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that can help repair your gut lining. Fermented foods. They're rich in probiotics, which can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Examples include sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt. Omega-3 fatty acids. They're anti-inflammatory and can help reduce gut inflammation. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as in nuts and seeds. Fiber-rich foods. They can help feed your gut bacteria and promote healthy digestion. Examples include berries, leafy greens, and whole grains. Coconut products. Coconut oil, milk, and flour can help to repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Here are some tips to make your meals more gut-friendly. Cook your food gently. Avoid high-temperature cooking methods like frying or grilling, which can create harmful compounds. Instead, opt for steaming, boiling, or baking. Chew your food well. This can help break down your food more easily and reduce stress on your digestive system. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated can help keep your gut lining moist and healthy. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods can exacerbate leaky gut symptoms, such as gluten, dairy, and sugar. Consider eliminating them from your diet or reducing your intake. It's also important to eat a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Don't be afraid to try new fruits and vegetables or experiment with different cooking methods. If you're not sure where to start with a leaky gut diet, consider seeking the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can help you develop a personalized plan that meets your specific needs. In addition to diet, other lifestyle factors can also impact your gut health. Stress, lack of sleep, and lack of exercise can all contribute to gut inflammation. So, try to incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation, aim for 7 minutes 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and make time for regular physical activity. Remember, healing your gut is a journey and it won't happen overnight. But by making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can support your gut health and improve your overall well-being. And don't forget, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or isolating. You can make it a fun and social experience by cooking with friends or family, trying new recipes, and enjoying delicious, wholesome meals together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or another qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Thanks for watching.